How to remove someone from best friends list without blocking them. What's up everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to remove someone from your best friend list without actually blocking them on Snapchat. But before getting started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and hit the subscribe button as well. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Snapchat and access your chat settings. So if you want to remove someone as your best friend right here, what you need to do is first of all go ahead and tap on your friend list, tap on your profile, scroll down, tap on my friends, and you will see the list of your best friends right here. Tap on their chat, and then from here you can tap on their profile. So now what you're going to do is tap on the three lines at the top right corner, and you are not actually going to block them. So what you are going to do is manage friendship and then remove them as your friend for a while. And if they ask you why you have removed them, then you can make a small excuse like it was a misclick or you don't know what happened or something like that, if you are worried about that. And once you have done that, you can add them back. So go ahead and search for their name on the add friends list. So go back, tap on add friends, search for their name, and then just go ahead and tap on their profile. So just tap on it and just tap on add. And once they have accepted your friend request, you can continue to chat with them like this. That's pretty much it. If you found it helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.